I'm back again and I'm just recording in the night. Okay, so today we are going to read about OS module. So let me first read it out, then I will describe you what is the. So like the hardware of our computer is operating system. That's the OS. Okay, so it's a module that gives us some access. Okay, like let me do one thing: import OS. Yes, and I'm using Visual Studio Code like because my this thing like my code editor can't keep things with OS module, like it needs to change the file name, and like there will be a huge thing and the video time will also go too much. Okay, so I did import OS. Then first let's see our directory. In which directory are we working? Okay, so print OS dot get cw. Okay, okay, CW. Now, just run it. So, for running, as I told everyone, so it takes some time in my laptop. So, let's wait for it, or I will just pause this thing, our recorder. And let me say you that I use a extension, Google extension to record my videos. That is Screen IO, and you might have been facing some problem in listening my voice because, like, I'm saying in my headphones, I don't have a mic to say. For that, like it's a bit low, and also I talk in a low voice. That's why. Yeah, I'm back and I just like it printed and then I thought no, let me show them again. It shouldn't be CW, okay? It should be CWD, okay? Current working directory. Get correct working directory. So it will print the current working directory. Let's see. Okay, to run. Let's see. Okay, you can see here. This is C user mine desktop all language compiler. Okay, I'm back. So you can see it printed. So this is the printed value. Okay. So this is what we get for os.get cwd. So we can know in which workspace we are working. Okay. Or if we are given the like our desktop to any another programmer, if he wants to know what is the workspace, so he can use this program. Then we can do one more thing, and that is os.chdir. Okay, os.chdir. Okay, this is os.chdir. Huh. And here in this double colons you can write the directory you want to change. Now I don't have any second directory, so I cannot do that. You can here write the directory you want to change. Okay, the directory you want to change. This what is chdir. Okay, then it comes about f equals to open. Like if we want to open anything in os, okay, so we can do it. So how to do it? We can use the like um let me say you it afterwards. Like okay, always let me do it. Let's see what happens. Okay, like I'm not too much clear about it. Like I never use this OS module. Okay, but for your knowledge you should know it if you want it in any case. So you can say part bro, you didn't teach us this. Okay, so here f open no need open a. Why is it showing auto important or open f open and the like file you want to open? Okay, like here I need this file named, let's say this txt file. Okay, records.txt. So let us do it. Records.txt. My record spelling is wrong. Records.txt, and let's run it. I think so we'll get an error. No, we didn't. and our this thing run, and we read the file records.txt. Okay, so here you can see again, let me run it. Yeah, so compilate 2.py ps and all language compiler. Okay, it's okay. Now we can use the list of the directory. Okay, so mm here we can do is print os.dir dir. Okay, directory first dot, no, list dir. I need list dir. Sorry, list dir. Okay, and then which directory list you want, you can put here. Okay, the directory list you want, you can put here, directory list, and I will upload this video tomorrow. Okay, and why there it's showing something like this? Okay, I think so. I have to do here with me. You can write acha, it is like here we can do uh, can change and write the directory name. I just don't want to create new directory and just do so many stuff, because I like to do everything in one directory only. And I think so. Like after some more modules, I will teach you web frameworks like Deacon and Flask also. So be ready for having a good knowledge on them, because it is helpful for web development, and whoever needs game development or GUI development, for those also there will be videos. Like in development part, I know all of those. Okay, so there is web development, game development, GUI development. Three of them are covered. Just an AI, one thing I can't do is the machine learning, because like I can't buy the machines now. My parents will not allow. And this living is there is like automation and this thing computer vision. These two are done with me. Okay, then we are with some more things. Okay, so we can make os.mkdir. Okay, make dir directory, that is also a thing. And you can do is like this, or anything you want to name your directory, means your folder. Okay, so this, okay, my folder name is this. Let's see what's happening. um okay, what's happening. Okay, it gave also the list direction of this, and in this field, like folder, whatever list of things are there, it was listed. That was also printed here. And I think so my directory also has opened, named test. Let me see, not like this. Let's see, where is this? Yeah, we got it, it's this. Okay, let me delete this, no need now. Yeah, so we can do that also. And let me just comment out this stuff. Okay, okay, I'm coming back in 2 seconds. Wait. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, so this is what means mkdir thing in OS. And there is one more, that is mkdirs. That means it will make two files or folders. Okay, let's see that also. os.mkdirs, that directories. Okay, mkdir, make this also. No, mkdirs, it will be make this. Sorry. And then we can do this by that. Okay, let's see the directories of the folders. Okay, we run it, and let's see. So here is this, and in after that is that. Okay, so after this it is that. That much is the difference in this two. Like it will make two directories. Okay, okay, our that is deleted. Now we will delete this. Yeah, two of them are deleted. Okay, and here. let's say. Next one is os dot rename. Okay, we can os dot rename. We can rename the files. Okay, so here we need the file. Okay, so file and so the file which I want to rename is, let's say, the records.txt. Okay, so records.txt, and I want to rename it to let me think new name. Mm, okay, let's say pre-name, pre-records, pre-records dot txt. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, let's see what happens. Um, okay, so you can see my pre-records.txt is done. Okay, now I can like make this pre-records.txt into records.txt. Okay, so this was my records.txt which was changed into pre-records.txt. That's the thing. Okay, final thing. Now let's comment this also out. Okay. So now there is one more function, that is os.path join. So it is need like it is used to um, like it is used to join two paths. Okay, print os dot path dot join. Okay, and here you can put your two paths or two values. Okay, and I don't have two paths, so I have to leave this out. We can use it. And let me say one more thing, like to use it you have to your like your path here. Okay, inside this, and your file should be inside this. Okay, in this format you have to do that. Okay, and let's say now next thing, that is os.path exist. Okay, to show that yeah, os.path dot exist. And also one thing, we have to print this. Okay, we have to print this for like some reason. Okay, what is print, print, and here also print. Okay, and then after writing like this, you can name your path. Okay, so here you can name our path. Okay, let me copy my path. This is my path. Let's copy it. Control C, Control V. Yeah, let's run it and let's get the value of true. It should be true. Okay, it should be true. Escape exist. See. Okay, I have done something mistake here. Let me see what's the mistake. Um, not exists. Should be exist. That's the mistake. Silly mistakes. Hey, okay, it's showing me some type of error, but it will run in yours. Okay, I think so. This is not my path. This path is not taking for some reason because of too long name or something. Okay, but it will surely work for you. And if it doesn't work, please do a comment. I will try to solve. Like some things are not in my hand. Like some like I never understand why some things never goes correctly, like this path thing and that random thing, that like if I see some tutorial and do, then also it comes never correct. So I don't know how my laptop has some type of mistakes or anything, I don't know. Okay, this much is it is for OS module, and next we'll learn about the time module, and then turtle, pyOTG, and all modules. Time module is a big module, but I will just show some 2 to 3 examples of it, and other things you have to actually see from this thing. And one thing like I want to say, don't remember, okay, don't remember the things, okay, like you shouldn't do like I have to remember this thing. No, you don't need to remember. You just see and just have a simple knowledge that OS was a module, it was the operating system, and it can do some things. Okay, and write this on your notebook. Okay, keep a note. If you just forget everything, then also if you have the logic building skills, then simply you open your copy and see what you have been written in the last step. If you just see once only, you can remember everything again. So don't need to like I have to remember this decode syntax and all. Never, you don't need to remember everything. I also have a copy in which every modules and whatever languages I know is written. Okay, and whenever I like, I just don't keep everything remembered. Okay, like this OS module I am seeing in my copy and writing here. Okay, I know the modules, but then also I should see in my copy. That's a good practice. Okay, because I know whenever like I was also teached. Now I am teaching as being a master, but I was also teached, right? So I should say like I have to tally the things that the people whom I'm teaching should know the correct knowledge. And like before this module, TK enter. Okay, some things like radio buttons with TK enter. I don't remember the syntax, but I have the copy with me. I can just turn some pages and remember the like see the syntax and done. Okay, let me show you one proof. Like here, it's my ide.py. No, code reveal will be done. Anyways, so this is my id dot py, my id dot py. Okay, so here whatever is there, like I have today like did some changes on it, like save and all functions I put. So here it is my id dot py, and I want to make a notepad. So in notepad also whatever things are needed, I will get everything. Like I can just copy paste in the notepad, just remove the run thing. Okay, run execute code, I have to remove that only. Okay, and I think so you people will not understand correctly now, but when you learn Tkinter, you will understand it. I'm just giving an example for it. Okay, so you shouldn't be like remembering everything. Okay, you should be the copy paster guy, and like you should have the skill. Like if anyone gives you the laptop, then you should go and you have the access to this Google Chrome or any other search engines. So you can search and you can do whatever you want. Or if you have the access to your copy, then you can see and do. And like this people only, the every companies, like okay, like every companies who want some developer, they like this people. Like don't always be like I have to write the whole thing. Okay, you should copy in programming, like it will save your time. So be smart, don't work too hard. Okay, be smart, don't work too hard. That's my opinion. Like I think so there like yes, that day I showed you the notepad.py, that was just copied from of my id.py. Okay, just copied from this code execution thing was just removed from it, and everything was same. Okay, so that's the thing. When you can do just like the thing you have done before, that same thing is there, but something you want to remove, then why to write again? Just copy paste or use classes. In before video we have saw how to use the classes. Okay, so there is so many ways. Don't just remember whatever. You no need to remember. Just write in a copy that this does that, this that does. Okay, uh, that's the best thing to do. And one more thing, I think so. I should make some tutorials of C and C++. I don't think so. The people who are seeing this video like C or C++ like me, but I know those languages. Before learning Python, I knew those two languages. Okay, because it made me learn Python easier. But if any another peoples are there who wants videos from me of C or C++ also, so there will be videos. But the main problem is this C and C++ does not connect with my this this what to say, VS Code. Okay, and the another thing is I don't like any another code editors. Okay, like this turbo c and all, they look like so much old and I don't like them. Okay, let's wind up this video today. And I just talked too much, but like thing is finished before 5 to 20 10 minutes, I think so. I didn't even see the time. And the last thing I want to say, just keep some notes, cheat sheets and all. Okay, and that's the thing, and nothing else is needed like that. And I never give you some projects. I will give you like, let me like teach you some bigger models, then you should get a project. Like in this simple Python projects are like not too good, like will not get the satisfaction with it. Okay, for that. And yeah, I have teach you math module. So my request is put in comment of getting hypotenuse of a triangle. Like computer will ask the user input through the input statement. It will take the numbers and get the hypotenuse of the value. It will take the perpendicular and base and get the hypotenuse of the triangle. You should make it. And let's wind up the video. And I will meet you in the time module. Okay, and that will be a very short video, like nothing is needed. uh, Bye.